Good one.
Action!
Alright, so, my birthday just passed, and I've been waiting for like 3 weeks for my new keyboard. So, I'm pretty hype, you know, came all the way from California, finally here. I paid extra money to get it in within a month rather than 2 months, so I'm excited. I'm excited to open it today.
I'm excited.
It's the K95 Platinum Cherry MX Browns. Pretty sweet. Mechanical keyboard. I say we just jump right into it because I'm
Alright,
excited.
so let's take a look at the box. We got
Probably just like the packaging inside.
Alright. So this is the box. Alright, it's a good looking box. There's a little dent here. Kind of suspicious of that, but you know.
That's a little annoying. I'm probably gonna have to contact the company.
Like the shipping company.
That's actually concerning. I paid a lot of freaking money for this. So.
Yeah, and that rattling, man.
A little bit lighter than I expected.
So we're gonna.
So RGB all around, pretty nice keyboard, high end, most expensive keyboard on the market. We are not sponsored by Corsair, so
Not at all.
hit us up. But
So we're gonna get this baby open.
all right, let's go. I've heard really good things about these keyboards. That's why I bought it. Recommended. So
These are KGRO edge clippers.
yeah.
I'm wondering.
If anyone, yeah. So you can buy those at
That's
Home
our brand
Depot.
of
Yeah,
edge
but
clippers.
we're sponsored by those though, not Corsair. So let's. What? Is this a joke? I can't. The hell?
Dude, did you put chips in here?
There's freaking chips in here. Okay. Hold on a second. It's definitely a joke. Like this is a joke.
It's chips, dude.
Where's my keyboard?
There's chips.
No, I'm serious. Like, where's my freaking keyboard?
Dude, it's chips.
Dude, you should call him.
They would send me chips.
Dude, it's
I waited
chips.
3.5 weeks for this.
Dude, it's chips.
Are you putting sauce? No! Keep it! It's evidence! Alright, you know what?
Dude, it's chips.
No! Do not eat the evidence. Okay, I'm calling.
Thank you for watching Brockken unboxing.
Shut up. Stop eating the damn chips. Oh my god. Yeah, hi. Yeah, I bought a keyboard from the K95 Platinum Cherry MX Browns. And, And, so I got it today, and, there were chips in my box. No keyboard, just chips. Tortilla chips. Stale tortilla chips.
They're not that stale.
Because there's chips in my box. No. I did not get a keyboard. I got chips. Chips came in my box where my keyboard is supposed to be. I'm on hold.
Well, you actually called them? It's good.
Stop eating the chips. It's the old pie. So, yeah, I ordered a Cherry MX Brown Platinum from your website, and I paid extra money for it to get here within a month, and there were tortilla chips in my box. Tortilla chips. No, I did not get a keyboard. I have tortilla chips. So, I kind of, no. I'm a little pissed. Stop. We need evidence for this. So they can believe us. No, I hopefully you can send me a new one. 'Cause, I don't have a digital receipt on me right now. So, what? Okay.
So this keyboard, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. That's pretty good. What do you rate the keyboard?
Give the keyboard a 4. Chips get a 9 though.
Good chips. Good dip. Shout out to Tostitos.
We're not sponsored.
Better company than, what was it, Corsair?
Yeah. You're getting a long email from me.
When Tostitos sells us something, you know you're gonna get it. Corsair, you're gonna get tortilla chips.
I don't recommend buying from Corsair. This is, I can't believe this is actually happening right now, so it's, like, I definitely think that this is a joke,
This will make a great ad for
and I want my keyboard.
Tostitos. We should see if they'll pay us.
No, but I want my keyboard, seriously, so, like, if this is a joke. I'm pretty, fucking pissed. So,
I'm gonna email Tostitos if they'll pay us.
I have to email Corsair with the digital receipt that I bought 3.5 weeks ago.
Look at a black.